What's up boys and girls, and welcome to a new video. Since I love Christmas and cannot wait much longer, today I have a DIY mini Christmas tree decoration for you to make out of cardstock. Use a ruler and a compass to sketch the layers of the tree. The layers are made of circles with a radius ranging from 1 to 7 centimeters, or if you're using inches, I would range them from about half an inch to 3.5 in radius. When the circles are all measured and cut out, we start folding. So in theory it's pretty simple. Fold 4 times one way and 4 times the other. Then you end up with 4 peaks with 4 corresponding bottoms. In practice it can be challenging, so first project of the day. If you do not have a bone folder, use a blunt object to flatten the fold. I have sometimes used my nails, and even though it works, it breaks your nails. So do yourself and your manicure a favor and find something else to use, okay? We fold like this with all sizes, and even though it gets messier the smaller the circle, it actually is quite manageable, and you should end up with your own version of this. Now it's time to arrange the tree, and to do this we need a socket for the trunk to stand in. I used cork and persuaded my boyfriend to cut these sockets for me. #lifehack. We used a 52mm or 2-inch hole saw to either hammer out or cut the sockets, and the size is just about perfect for the finished product. Once we have our sockets, it is time to use the soap trick from my last video, and if you want to know why we do this, then I recommend you to go watch that one. We use a skewer as the trunk and a hot glue to hold it in the socket. So cut a small hole in the middle of each layer except the smallest one and thread them on the skewer, securing each section with hot glue to help them stay in place. I don't have any blueprint or how far apart each layer should be, so find what works for you, and I think I have about 1 centimeter, but I like my trees thick and full, so there's that. Mark each point for the layers with a pen so it is easier to just glue them on after measuring them. Finish by attaching the smallest layer to the top to hide the skewer, and you can also jazz it up by adding a star to the top and beads to the layers. I for mine like it simple and clean, so I'll just leave it like this. And you can also up and down the scale to make woods. You can shrink the size by removing the biggest 1 or 2 layers and increase the size by adding layers and maybe finishing up with a larger layer on top. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a fantastic day. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. And until next video, bye bye!